Hey everyone, welcome back to Plotline English.
Hi friends, it's Jack here with Lily.
Today, we're going to make mistakes together.
Wait, what? Make mistakes?
Yes, because when you laugh at a mistake, you never forget it.
Oh, so we'll remember the right way forever.
Exactly, and you'll have fun too.
Okay everyone, get ready to laugh and learn.
So, Jack, I have a funny story.
Oh yeah? Tell me.
Yesterday, my friend said, "I'm boring."
Boring? Why did she say that?
She wanted to say, "I'm bored."
Ah, big difference.
Yes, "I'm boring" means you are not interesting.
Like, nobody wants to talk to you.
Right, but "I'm bored" means you feel tired, nothing is fun.
Oh, so the feeling is inside you.
Exactly. Let's practice both.
I'm boring. That's about you as a person.
"I'm bored," that's about your feeling.
Lily, can you say both in a sentence?
Sure. "I'm bored because this movie is boring."
Perfect. The movie is boring, so you feel bored.
Right. Let's say it again, slowly.
I'm bored because this movie is boring.
Good. Now you try at home. Say it out loud.
Don't be shy. Speaking helps you remember.
Okay, next mistake. Jack, do you cook?
Sometimes. Why?
My student told me I made a cake yesterday. It was so funny.
Funny? A cake?
She meant it was so fun.
Oh, funny and fun are different.
Yes, funny means it makes you laugh, like a joke.
So, a funny cake is a cake that tells jokes.
Exactly. But fun means you enjoyed it. You had a good time.
So, I had fun baking the cake.
Perfect. Let's practice. Repeat after me. That movie was funny.
That movie was funny.
Now, that party was fun.
That party was fun.
Great! So funny means makes you laugh. Fun means you enjoy it.
I love this. Can you give another example?
Sure. My friend is funny. I always have fun with her.
Nice. She makes you laugh and you enjoy your time together.
Exactly. Say it with me. My friend is funny. I have fun with her.
Everyone, say it. Don't just listen. Lily, I have a question.
Yes?
Why do people say I'm boring when they mean I'm bored?
I think they translate directly from their language.
Oh, like word for word?
Exactly. But English is different.
So we need to think in English?
Yes, not translate, just like feel the meaning.
That's a great tip.
It's not a tip, it's just how we talk.
Okay. It's how we talk.
All right, next funny mistake.
What is it?
Someone said to me, "I look forward to hear from you."
Wait, what's wrong with that?
It should be to hearing from you, not to hear.
Oh, after look forward to, we use ing.
Exactly. Look forward to needs a verb with ing.
I look forward to seeing you.
Yes, I look forward to meeting you.
I look forward to working with you.
Perfect. See, you've got it.
But it's tricky because to usually comes before the base verb.
Right. But here, to is part of the phrase look forward to.
So it's not in order to or want to.
Exactly. It's different. Look forward to means you're excited about something.
Let's practice together. Say, I look forward to hearing from you.
I look forward to hearing from you.
Again, I look forward to meeting you.
I look forward to meeting you.
Great. Don't forget the ing.
Okay, here's another one. Jack, have you ever said, I'm agree?
Oh no. Yes, I did when I was learning English.
Me too. It's so common.
But it's wrong, right?
Yes, we say, I agree, not I'm agree.
Because agree is a verb, not an adjective.
Exactly. I'm happy. Happy is adjective. I agree. Agree is verb.
I agree with you.
Perfect. I don't agree.
I don't agree.
And never, I'm agree. Never.
Never ever.
Right. Let's say it together. I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Good. Now, I don't agree with that idea.
I don't agree with that idea.
Everyone at home, practice this. It's super common.
Lily, why do people make this mistake?
Maybe because in some languages you say, I am agree.
Oh, like Spanish or Arabic?
Maybe, I'm not sure, but yes, translation problems.
English is tricky.
But you're learning, and that's amazing. Okay, next one. Someone told me, I have 25 years.
I have 25 years? What's wrong?
In English, we say, I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years.
Oh, because age is something you are, not something you have.
Exactly. I am 30. She is 18. He is 50.
I am 25 years old.
Yes, or just, I'm 25.
I'm 25. Simple.
Right, but many languages say, I have.
Like Spanish, French, Portuguese?
Yes, so students translate directly.
But we don't have age, we are our age.
Exactly. Let's practice. How old are you?
I'm 28.
Perfect. How old is your brother?
He's 32.
Great. Everyone practice at home.
Lily, I have a funny one too.
Oh, tell me.
My friend said, I want that you come to my party.
I want that you come.
Yeah. What's the right way?
I want you to come to my party.
Oh, know that?
Right. We say, want someone to do something.
I want you to help me.
Yes, I want her to call me.
I want them to understand.
Perfect. Know that in this structure.
But we use that in other sentences, right?
Yes, like, I hope that you come. That's okay.
English has so many rules.
But you're learning them. Let's practice again.
I want you to come.
I want you to come.
I want her to stay.
I want her to stay.
See? Easy when you practice.
Okay, everyone, we're having fun, right?
Yes, these mistakes are funny, but helpful.
Right, because now you won't make them.
Exactly. Let's do more.
Jack, have you heard someone say, I go to home?
Oh, yes. I go to home.
But it's wrong. We say, I go home, no to.
Wait, why no to?
Because home is special. It's an adverb here, not a noun.
An adverb?
Yes, so we say go home, come home, arrive home.
I'm going home now.
Perfect. She came home late.
They arrived home yesterday.
Great. But we do say to with other places.
Like what?
I go to work. I go to school. I go to the store.
Okay, so home is the exception.
Exactly. Home is special.
Let's practice. Say, I'm going home.
I'm going home.
Now, I went to the store.
I went to the store.
See the difference? Home equals no to. Store equals yes to.
Here's another funny one.
What?
Someone said, she is very nice person.
She is very nice person. What's missing?
The article. She is a very nice person.
Oh, we need a before person.
Yes, because person is a countable noun, singular.
He is a smart person.
Yes, they are nice people, no a because it's plural.
She is a funny person.
Perfect. Always use a or an with singular countable nouns.
Let's say it together. She is a very nice person.
She is a very nice person.
Everyone, don't forget the a. Lily, I have one more.
Yes, tell me.
My student wrote, I am interesting in science.
I am interesting in science?
Yeah, what's wrong?
It should be, I am interested in science, not interesting.
Oh, ed, not ing.
Right. Interesting describes the thing. Interested describes your feeling.
So, science is interesting. I am interested.
Exactly. This book is interesting. I am interested in it.
I am interested in music.
Yes, she is interested in art.
We are interested in history.
Perfect. And the topic is interesting.
Music is interesting.
Yes, let's practice both. I am interested in cooking because it's interesting.
I am interested in cooking because it's interesting.
Great. Everyone practice this.
This is like boring and bored from earlier, right?
Oh yes, same pattern.
Exactly. ed is your feeling. ing describes the thing.
So I am excited, my feeling. The game is exciting, the game.
Perfect. You've got it.
English patterns are fun when you see them.
Right? Once you understand, it's easy.
Okay, one more mistake.
What is it?
Playful. Someone said, "Can you borrow me your pen?"
Can you borrow me your pen? That sounds strange.
Yes, it should be, "Can you lend me your pen?"
Oh, borrow and lend are different.
Yes, borrow means you take, lend means you give.
So, I borrow a book from you, you lend a book to me.
Exactly. Can I borrow your phone? I'm taking.
Can you lend me your phone? You're giving.
Perfect. Let's practice. Can I borrow your pen?
Can I borrow your pen?
Now, can you lend me your pen?
Can you lend me your pen?
Great. Don't mix them up.
Borrow equals take, lend equals give. Lily, why is this mistake so common?
I'm bored. You're feeling. I'm boring you as a person.
Funny makes you laugh. Fun means enjoyable.
I look forward to hearing from you with ing.
I agree, not I'm agree.
I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years.
I go home, no to.
She is a nice person. Don't forget a.
I'm interested, not I'm interesting.
And borrow equals take, lend equals give.
See? You learned so much today.
These mistakes are funny but normal.
Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay.
The important thing is you learn from them.
And you had fun, right?
I hope so. Learning should be fun.
And remember, practice speaking out loud.
Don't just listen. Talk to yourself, repeat, practice.
That's how you improve.
Okay, everyone, before we go,
We have homework for you.
don't worry, it's easy and fun.
Write in the comments, which mistake do you make most often?
Is it I'm boring? Or, I have 25 years.
Or maybe, I'm agree.
Tell us, we want to know.
And don't forget to subscribe to Plotline English.
Hit that subscribe button.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.
We'll see you next time.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.